Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rajendra's Erudite. Hope you are watching my video and enjoying. Today we will discuss about the circulation of blood in the heart. That means how the molecules separates and the nutrients circulated from blood to different part of the body tissue. Okay, let's see. The circulatory organ of human being is heart. Okay, how the heart is made up of? We know heart is a muscular organ. This heart is made up of cardiac muscles. Okay, that means there is no any bones on the heart. So heart is a muscular organ. Okay, if we see the structure of the heart, then the lower side it is narrower, very narrower, and the upper side of the heart is little bit broader, and this heart is made up of 4 chambers. Okay, heart has 4 chambers. What are those? Upper 2 chambers are auricles and lower 2 chambers are ventricles. Okay, and the heart is also separated into 2 parts, that is right side of the heart and left side of the heart. This precision, that is separated by a precision called septum. Okay, by a septum the heart is divided into 2 parts, that is left and right. Okay, so here you can see the upper 2 chambers, that is right auricles and left auricles. Next, lower 2 chambers are right ventricles and left ventricles. Okay, next we will see how the blood flows in the heart. You can see here, this is the superior vena cava and this is the inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the different part of the body tissues. That means the superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood upper part of the heart. Whatever the blood that comes upper part from the heart, that is collected by the superior vena cava. And one more thing, always remember, in the right side of the heart flows deoxygenated blood. That means what? The blood is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, and left side of the heart, this portion, this left side of the heart always flows oxygenated blood. That means the blood is already mixed with oxygen. This oxygenated blood flows in the left side of the heart. Okay, so next vena cava, that means here inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava collects the blood from the lower part of the heart. Whatever the lower parts like legs and the waist and other parts which are located below the heart, these bloods are collected by the inferior vena cava, and these superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, the collected blood, they will drain into the where? Drain into the right auricle. Here they will drain. Okay, here they will drain the blood, and whenever the blood is filled in the right auricle, okay, whenever the blood fill in the right auricle, then the right auricle will contract. Okay, when it is contracted, the blood pump toward the right ventricles. The blood pump toward the right ventricles. Here one more thing you have to remember, in this position there are valves are present. Valves which are responsible for the backflow, prevent the backflow of the blood. Okay, so after the blood comes to the right ventricles, whenever the right ventricles filled with blood, then they will pump toward the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Okay, the blood from the left right ventricles pump toward the lungs through the pulmonary artery for the purification of the blood. Okay, that means in the right side of the heart, that is mixed the blood flow, what is mixed carbon dioxide mixed blood. Okay, this carbon dioxide will be removed in the lungs. Okay, in the lungs the carbon dioxide will be removed and oxygen will be added in the blood. So the blood flows to the lungs for the for the purification. Okay, after purified the blood, after oxygenated, okay, this oxygenated blood comes to the again heart. Okay, again it comes to the heart through the pulmonary veins. These are the pulmonary veins. Whenever they enter into the left auricle filled with the oxygenated blood, and whenever completely filled with oxygenated blood left auricle, it will contract. Okay, when it is contract, the blood flows toward the left ventricles. The blood flows toward the left ventricles, and when left ventricle is completely filled with oxygenated blood, then it will contract. Okay, it will contract the blood, then enter into the aorta. It is the a big vein which is responsible for the transport the oxygenated blood to the different part of the body tissues. Okay, so you can see here one more important things. Here also the valves are present. These valves they prevent the backflow of the blood. Okay, so this mechanism is occurs in the two phases, that is contraction and relaxation. Okay, contraction and relaxation, loop doop. Okay, loop doop process it will follow. Okay, so this all about the circulation of blood in the human being, or how the blood is circulated in the heart. Okay.